In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows security not opening in Windows 11. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and head over into the Windows Start menu and then search for PowerShell. So you need to go ahead and reset the Windows security application using PowerShell as an administrator. So in here, go ahead and enter PowerShell. And then after you do that, click on the enter button. And then after that, you need to enter get app x package microsoft.sec health UI /all users reset app x package. This command reinstalls and resets the Windows security interface. So make sure that you enter that correctly. Now, if this doesn't work, another thing that you can do to resolve the problem is to use System File Checker and DISM. So to do that, you need to go ahead and open the command prompt as an administrator for that. On the command prompt, you need to enter sfc/scan now, and then after that, enter dism/online/cleanup image/restore help. So these tools repair corrupted system files that may prevent the app from launching. So make sure that you enter that correctly as well with the appropriate spaces for each of it. And the last thing that you can do to resolve the problem is to go ahead and check for Windows Update. Open the settings and then head over to update and security, and then in here go ahead and install any pending updates. Updates often include security patches and bug fixes, and that is how you can basically fix Windows security not opening in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.